Hello everyone from the world of crypto. Today we'll tell you about how to get a decent profit with minimal investment. Let's go! Following the rise in prices for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the altcoin market is once again experiencing incredible price increases. As the cryptocurrency market continues to debut in 2021, Safemoon has also taken its place among the most unpredictable cryptocurrencies. Even though it was released just a few weeks ago, it caught the attention of cryptocurrency investors. The project was released on March the 8th, and by mid-April it had attracted more attention, perhaps even more than its creators expected. Cryptocurrencies are very risky investment vehicles. The main reason for this is that the cryptocurrency market is experiencing strong fluctuations and there is a lack of regulatory mechanism. Safemoon, which has its fair share of hesitation, has also made a name for itself as its host. Since the cryptocurrency universe is not yet ripe, investors may not be interested in the true value of the cryptocurrency. In the past, many projects attracted a lot of attention in a short time and then were forgotten. In the long term, we will see the fate of Safemoon's trip to the moon. Safemoon developers suggest that the key features of Safemoon are community management, automatic liquidity pool, and static rewards. When using Safemoon tokens, a 10% transaction fee is deducted, which is deducted from each Safemoon transaction. 5% of the total transaction fee is distributed among other Safemoon holders. The remaining 5% goes to the liquidity pool. Thus, Safemoon rewards those who do not sell tokens and punishes those who sell tokens. A system called static reward promises token holders long-term profits. There were new developments for Safemoon, which experienced sharp price swings in May and took place on news sites. Safemoon CEO John Caroni and COO Jack Haynes announced that Safemoon will use Minecraft to test future improvements. The duo also announced that they are working with Simplex. The Simplex platform allows users to buy cryptocurrency using credit and debit cards. Together with Simplex, Safemoon plans to attract more users and simplify payments. Safemoon has also managed to surprise New Yorkers. Safemoon appearing on billboards in Times Square has gathered attention. Safemoon's ad also included the following phrases along with the Safemoon logo: the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency. Safemoon could get bullish momentum in the next 3 to 4 months and reach somewhere around $0.0000845. However, the project has attracted a lot of traders, and therefore a huge increase in its price can be expected in the coming month. By the end of 2021, the price could get another decimal place and rise to $0.0001256 while maintaining the uptrend. Elon Musk is also interested in investing in Safemoon, as well as his recent investment in Dogecoin, so the price can soar even higher. This is a channel about how to make money on cryptocurrency easily and most importantly safely. If the video was useful, give it a like, write in the comments what you think about this crypto. Do not forget about the bell. All good luck